got to carry on.
Welcome to the California desert.
Carry on now.
Great views, solid company, and a rich culture that evades the change of time. Here we will eat junk food on the side of a river, take a few naps, and catch more fish than we ever expected.
The forest, the queen of the honeybees is making a stand, and I want to be there.
We just drove up from Reno. We're in California now, and it's our first day fishing. We pulled up here and it's a pretty small little creek. And then on the way back, we're gonna hit another spot that looks pretty good. So literally on the drive up here though, we decided to start back up the old YouTube channel. And you haven't met Liv yet. Liv's my girlfriend. She's been my girlfriend for 4 years now. We've done a lot of cool traveling together, and we always look back on it and wish we had filmed more of it. Pretty much document it for ourselves, and if people enjoy watching it, cool. But if not, we're gonna have it for ourselves to look back on one day. I've always regretted not sticking with it and doing it more to kind of remember the places we've been. So that's the reason behind it. I'm looking forward to y'all meeting Liv. She's pretty cool. She's smiling behind the camera right now, but we've been able to do some cool adventures together, from mule deer to Africa to all these places, and you know, documenting it we should have been doing the whole time. So this is the start though.
What is the rental car that we're using?
Turo. So it's a really good option. Turo is like the Airbnb for cars, pretty much. I like them, man. I have spent so much money through Enterprise and Hertz, and there's a huge fly biting me. But I have a lot of stories with that, but I have lost so much money through rental cars. But so far, Turo has been pretty good for us.
Attacked me.
Was a time I felt alive in me, warm like the summer sun. Remember the day I watched it go.
What is that? You know, after going back and looking at some of the pictures and videos from this fish, I still don't know what kind of fish this was.
I'll be honest with you, I don't really know what kind of trout that was. It was like a brook trout, but then it looked kind of like, almost like cutthroaty, but maybe y'all can tell me. I really don't know.
Oh!
He's sitting in the grass.
Was a time I felt the light in me.
Oh, good. I think I just hooked or missed every single fish in that hole right there.
Come on, don't go to the water. That's not a fun idea. Alright, I'm gonna be attacked by the parents. Alright, where is your nest? Over here. Oh, he was going in the water. He should be better over there now, though.
So she just caught a rainbow. We caught brown trout, brook trout, and I swear it's almost like a little cutthroat, but I don't know, I could be wrong. I'm sure you guys will tell me. My buddy Sam's a really good fly fisherman. I'm gonna send it to him. He's actually in Southern California right now fishing, but see what he thinks it is. But the habitat in here is so cool for trout.
Have to know your own before you
Oh, a little bite out of the PBJ.
I'm glad I could drag you here because I know you always like to be in the mountains on your birthday and it's a little early for your birthday, but I'm glad that we were able to be. I was worried that it wouldn't be mountainous enough for you or enough fish or
That's been good.
whatever, but
It's been really good. We've caught plenty of fish. Caught plenty of fish, both of us. And what's crazy is like, I haven't seen one other person fishing.
not really. Well, there's no fly fish shops around.
No.
And any shop that has any fishing stuff is normal fishing stuff, so I just don't think people really fly fish much here.
Yeah.
I mean, when I was here 5 years ago, I never really saw people fishing. Hey.
So with Olivia and I both having remote jobs, it allows us to be able to change up our scenery and work from different places. No matter where we are though, we are always waiting for the clock to hit 5. That's where we find our peace and balance from traveling so much.
Born down in a dead man's town. First kick I took was when I hit the.
We plan to spend a week in California, working each day and getting outside as soon as we could.
Eat too much till you spend half your life just to cover it up, and I'm born in the USA. Yes, I'm born in the USA. Born in the USA. Yes, I'm born in the USA. Well, I got in a little hometown jam, so they put a rifle in my hand.
Ah,
And they sent me off to
I love that plant. It's another like shooting star, but different. It's like the really, or no, I think it's columbine actually. But isn't it so cool?
Most of the afternoon consisted of fishing a new river with a mixture of Olivia finding new plants and birds she loved. Big bird girl. A snipe?
Yes. Wilson snipe, but it says it's rare, but I just listened to their like willow, but that's exactly what it sounded like.
Well, I come back home to
That's one thing I love about Olivia is she has something that she loves a lot. That is birds.
Oh yeah, and one garter snake.
Oh, that is disgusting.
Not a fan. Some of the rivers were easier to fish than others. This day, the river had our number.
I didn't catch a fish.
I did. Only one.
Some days you're having it, some days you're not. She caught a snake, saw a cool bird that she's never seen. You've seen it before.
I've seen them before.
She's seen it before. And I got some pretty video. That's pretty much the highlight. So, maybe more.
We switched gears and decided to go look for wild horses and elk the next night.
We are going up to try to find some wild or feral, whatever you want to call them, wild horses up in the area. They've got a couple hundred horses out on the landscape up there, but they've also got elk, pronghorn, mule deer. So I want to look for horses, but I'm kind of hoping we find elk. So hopefully we find some.
Olivia used to work here doing studies on the wild horses, which is ultimately the reason why we're here in California in the first place.
One is collared. That's sick.
The penitentiary, how about the gas fires of the refinery line? 10 years burning down the road, ain't got nowhere to run, ain't got
California is underrated when it comes to wildlife. Because I feel like when people think about California, they think of like San Francisco and San Diego and all those kind of places. But I've been to Northern California up here and have loved it both times. And I've also been down in Southern California, backcountry fly fish guiding and mule packing, and it was absolutely stunning.
So 9 to 5 to backcountry to me means the same thing she just said right then. It was, you know, we work our life away and then you live from the 5 to 9 after work. And our goal always has been get outside and do something. It may be summertime in the South and it may suck to get outside, but you know, something. Our heart is kind of drawn towards the West and we love it out here, but it's not always. So our family's in different parts. Olivia's family's in Maine, mine's in Mississippi. But yeah, 9 to 5 to backcountry. To me, it just means, yeah, you have to work, but as soon as that clock ticks 5, get outside, do something. So that's what 9 to 5 to backcountry means to me. Of course, as soon as I cut the camera, Liv catches a fish.
Nice. Crazy.
You don't want it to be over, do you?
No. Of course I don't want it to be over. I'm having fun.
Well, that is going to conclude the California. Well, that is going to conclude the California Chronicles. Okay, so it was probably the best afternoon of fishing we've had the whole time, and Liv caught more fish than I think than she's caught in her whole life.
They were hungry. They were jumping out of the water. It was a blast.
Yeah, and not one other person. So it's pretty solid fishing for no other people. Great scenery. Yeah, I can't say nothing bad about California. Like, this has been beautiful.
It's been solid.
So I'm thankful she brought me here. But I guess that's gonna end it. So I'm headed home and Liv's headed to Minnesota. Work trip. So I guess this is it though. 9 to 5 to backcountry, first little gig, logging off.
Keep me down, I'm coming up. Take me to your promised land. Tie me down, I am your man. Yeah. Oh.
See, when we have a house one day, I want it to look just like this, you know?